Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Digital and Tech. This is me, your host, okay, and today I'll tell you that how you can make animated videos like this you are watching on your Android screen, and it's very easy and simple. We'll do with our Android phone. So if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe our channel because we keep uploading videos like this which are helpful for you and very interesting. So let's move to Android screen and I'll show you that how it works. So guys, I'm on my Android screen and you need to download a application from Google Chrome. The link is in the description. Well, this is not available in the Play Store, so you need to download it from Google Chrome. So the link is in the description, and now I'll show you. I'll open the app and I'll show you how this works. So guys, this is the app. Is Telagami, and you need to create here. Click on create to make. So this is something like this you see for the first time. Okay, and what you need to do that you can just simply you can change this structure and size whatever you want to change, and you want to increase the size, just pinch and you can do it. So I'll make much and it's enough. So you can just make like this also. So I'll make it, guys. So then now this is now come to the character and you can make some changes. So here you can change the gender, okay, and you can change the skin tone, whatever you want to change. So I want to keep this one only, and now skin tone I want to remain same. Now come in eyes, you can change the eyes. You can see that's changing brown, blue, black, and many 5 options are here. So I'll make this blue one. You can change the head size like tapping on it. So this I want here. About on the top you can change. Yeah, I'll click on black one. So there are more options. If you want to pay, then you can get these options also. Okay guys, for bottom there is option to change the color and more options for bottom. But if you want to change, then these here you need to pay. And for the shoes same, four varieties are given but only one variety is unlocked because you are it's if you want a premium one you will pay, then you can use other three. So come on, now here's we have five varieties but only one you can use, and other five you can other four you need to pay for it. And you can just simply change the color. So I want it black, and then um, so, yeah, I want to get this black. Now click on this arrow button and come in emotions. Now you can give the emotion angry, scared, silly, and neutral. If you want to keep, then you can keep. So I'll make it happy. And now come to background. In the background you can add background from your camera. You will take the photos, or you can add from the library, that is your mobile phone gallery. And doodle, you can make a doodle. You paint here with your hands, and here it's some packs are given. So this is road trip. So this some of the backgrounds are given here like this. Here is one, and here is one, and more backgrounds are given here. I'll show you that this you can see some backgrounds are given to you and you can use from here. So I'll take from one from library, like my photos, and I will take this one. So this is how I made. Okay, so this is my background, and now what I will do, I'll click on this back. Now what I need to do, that I need to make it say something, so I'll click on message. Okay guys, and I need to record here, and even I can write some texts and I can do from it, but for text you need a premium version. So let me show you some sounds here for male and female.
Hello, my name is David. Hello, my name is Peter. Hello, my name is Liam.
Hello, my name is Hiro.
Hello, my name is Peter.
Well guys, for voice typing you need a premium version again, and better you use voice for the first time, and if you like then you can buy the premium one. So click on voice, and you can just 30 seconds are given here. You can record 30 seconds voice and add to it, and you can make videos. Okay guys, and yeah, you can also make 90-second video maximum, but for 90-second you need a premium version. Okay guys, so record it and you can listen it, and then tap on here and click on share and click on save, and it will be saved. Well guys, let me record a voice once and I'll show you how to save. Well, click on save and it will create your Gami. Well, this is how you can make. So thank you guys, hope you like the video, so please give us